Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Tomato rice is something that we all make at home generally, but a lot of beginners, new cooks, students and bachelors have been requesting for a lot of simple one-pot dishes. And today's recipe is for them, so they can try it at home or if they are living by themselves or in their rooms. This is something easy that you can make in the pressure cooker. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the tomato rice, first I'm going to soak 1 cup of whole grain basmati rice. Wash the rice a few times, soak it with enough water and let it sit for about 30 minutes. To the pressure cooker, take 1 tablespoon of ghee, add about 1 tablespoon of oil. To the cooker, add all the whole spices, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, star anise, add 1 bay leaf. For this recipe, I have taken 2 medium-sized onions, just slice them thin. Once the onions are transparent, add 2 large green chillies, cut into pieces. Next, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Next, add 4 medium-sized tomatoes that have been chopped. Next, add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt and 3 teaspoons red chilli powder. You can adjust the spice according to your taste. Next, add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Just mix it all in. Next, add the soaked rice. Just add a handful of coriander leaves. So after adding the coriander leaves, add 1.5 cups of water. So just gently mix it. Pressure cook for 1 whistle on medium flame. Wow, the tomato rice is cooked beautifully. Smells amazing, it's so fragrant. So here is a 10-minute tomato rice that you can quickly make if you're having your friends over, if you want to make something for yourself, a quick meal. You can see it's perfect. This is a wonderful recipe, super easy to make and extremely tasty. So you can see the ingredients are very simple. All you need is some rice, tomatoes and some onions and you're good to go. And it's a very easy recipe. Anyone can make this recipe and you can just enjoy with some nice raita by the side or just eat it as is. So do try the recipe, enjoy and tell me how it turned out for you guys.